Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with the S23 Ultra, and here's another very useful tip for you all. What might even save you some money as well. Okay, so yeah, this is a very useful one, guys. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to turn on warn if S Pen is left behind. Okay, so to turn it on, which I highly recommend doing, is pull down the notifications, go into the settings and scroll down to where it says advanced features, then select S Pen and then select more S Pen settings. And if this is off, make sure you turn it on, guys, because it will help you to save some money, because as you know, these S Pens, they do not come cheap. They're pretty costly to replace if you lose it. So I recommend just turning it on, and it just explains how it works. So show a warning if you leave your S Pen behind and walk away with your phone while the screen is off. So I've just taken mine out. So I'm just gonna turn the screen off and we're gonna see if it gives a warning. Hold on, let me just double check to make sure it's on. Yep. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the screen off and then I'm gonna take up my phone. So let's just say I'm at work, I've left the S Pen on the table and I've put the phone in my hand and I've got up and I've walked off to maybe go outside to my car, or maybe I've finished work and I've got up and I've walked off to get into my car to go home, but I've left the S Pen behind. So we'll see if I get a notification or a message. So I'm walking away with the phone in my hand. And yes, the message has just popped up, guys. Got your S Pen, it's not inside your phone. Make sure it's somewhere safe. Okay, so now I can just go back into my office, pick up my pen that I had left behind and pop it back into my phone. And yeah, it's as simple as that, guys. So yeah, another very useful video for you all. Make sure you turn that on, guys. You do not want to lose your S Pen. So just make sure that this is on at all times. Warn if S Pen is left behind. Anyway, guys, that's it for the video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up and share the video. It's a very useful one. I'm out. See you in the next one, guys. Deuces.